Just a quick stop over to get some drinks before going home. So we went here over at Boba Tea Lounge to get some drinks. And they have pretty stuff. But I didn't buy that hoodie over there. Just the glass, their souvenir glass. It's really cool. And that's pretty much it. They have quite a few stuff over here, so it's not so bad. You get to get some drinks and food, and they have some toys too for kids and adults if they want to play. Time to go home. Boba Tea Lounge. And what street is this? Citrus Street Avenue. Ay, ano ba yun? Ano nga to? Citrus Avenue? Citrus. Somewhere out there.